morning. Hi guys, good morning. It is Sunday morning. I just got up and out of bed. I was just doing my morning skincare, so I thought I'd show you what I've been using lately. So I already cleansed my face. I've been using this In Key List one. It's actually almost empty. Once I'm out of this, I'll probably switch over to something else just because I'm not super picky with my cleanser, but I like this one. And now I'm going in with serums. I've actually been mixing these two serums, both by Drunk Elephant. This one is the B Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, and then this one is their vitamin C. So I just take one pump of this and then one pump of this, mix them together and put that everywhere. Then I just use some of my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream as my moisturizer. Then I don't do this every morning, but if I feel like adding an extra step, I'll use the Drunk Elephant C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. Just use a little bit and dab it under my eyes. It is Sunday morning. It's also Mother's Day, so I am about to get ready, get changed, and head over to my parents' house. My mom and I have some fun things planned. We're gonna go to the farmer's market, which we do every Sunday in the summer, and then we have brunch reservations at 12:15. So it's gonna be a lovely day, and then the rest of this afternoon I wanna just clean up my apartment, do a little Sunday reset. I've been meaning to like deep clean certain parts of my apartment, so that's what I want to get done today. But right now I was actually about to feed Lennon her breakfast, and I wanted to chat with you guys about the food that I switched her over to a few weeks ago. It's called Sundays for Dogs. They make vet formulated dog food that is made with high quality meat and vegetables that your dog will absolutely love. Thank you so much to Sundays for Dogs for sponsoring today's video. As a dog owner, and I'm sure if you're a dog owner watching this, you can relate, it's super important for me to be feeding Lennon the best, healthiest food option possible. I love that Sundays for Dogs is made with real food, real ingredients, and it's food that Lennon actually loves. She gets so excited when I pull out the food bag. She literally thinks she's getting like a bowl of treats for breakfast and dinner every day. My favorite thing about Sundays is that the food is actually air dried. This is what the food looks like. It comes in these little air dried pieces, so you don't have to worry about storing a bunch of food in your freezer or thawing it out before you use it. So you get the health benefits of fresh food, but the convenience of dry food. Also, Lennon has super sensitive skin, and I found that giving her like fresh food or wet food really irritates her skin, but obviously like traditional dry food doesn't have all the same health benefits and has like a lot of preservatives and stuff. So that's why I've been loving giving her this, because since it's an air dried formula, it doesn't cause her to have any skin problems. Plus, you can get Sundays for Dogs shipped straight to your door with a convenient subscription plan, so you never run out and you don't have to carry super heavy bags of dog food from the store to your house. There's also free shipping and 100% satisfaction guaranteed. They actually did a study, and 40 to 0 dogs actually preferred Sundays over other premium dog food brands. Like I said, Lennon literally thinks she's getting a bunch of treats, but Sundays is a complete and balanced meal for your dog. You can go to their website and take a short little quiz. You guys know I love a personalized quiz, and it's gonna ask you questions about your dog's weight, their breed, if they have a sensitive stomach, if they're a picky eater. Lennon is all the above. She's like the pickiest eater ever. So if that tells you anything about how good the food actually tastes, then based on your answers to the quiz, they'll suggest a plan that's right for your dog. Lennon has the chicken recipe and she's obsessed with it. As you can see, she gets so excited to eat. Plus, probably the best thing is that Sundays is more affordable than other brands in this space. If you guys want to check out Sundays, you can click the link in the description below to take the quiz and find the best plan for your dog. You can also use my code Maddie30 to save 30% off your first order plus free shipping. I highly recommend checking this out for your dog. Thank you so much to Sundays for Dogs for sponsoring today's video. Wednesday now. I'm back home. Spent the morning / afternoon with my mom for Mother's Day. We had a really good brunch. The food was delicious and it was like a prefix menu, so it was so much food. So we ended up taking the pasta home and I'm gonna have it for dinner tonight, which is very convenient. But now I just changed into sweats and I'm going to do a little Sunday reset. I need to clean up my apartment. There are dog toys everywhere. I've also just been meaning to do a deep clean of my bathroom and my kitchen. I want to like clean out all the bathroom shelves and then also clean out like the pantry cabinet in my kitchen because I haven't done that in a while and I feel like I don't even know what's in there. So gonna do a deep clean of those 2 rooms and then also just like vacuum the whole apartment, do like my normal Sunday cleaning routine. So that's kind of what I have planned for the rest of the day. This evening's gonna be very chill. I'm just gonna eat my pasta for my leftovers and then also I have a video that I need to edit. So that's the plan for the rest of my Sunday. Side note, I'm opening up a couple PR packages right now. Just wanted to show you what I got. So this one's from Grande Cosmetics. They sent over an eyeliner that is also like a lash serum, which is really, really cool. And then underneath here, they also just sent over their regular lash serum, which if you ever need an eyelash serum, this is the one. I've used this for years, especially back when I would get eyelash extensions a lot. And whenever I would get them removed, my natural lashes would be like super short and thin, and this would rescue them and make them grow back to normal so quickly. Definitely gonna start using this again because it's the best. Then I got this lovely package from Kopari. This looks really cool. So we have some sun products. First is a face sunscreen, SPF 30. I actually have been needing to stock up on a new face sunscreen, so I'm gonna try this one out. And then we also have this Body Glow SPF 50 sunscreen / glow product. So this looks really cool. I'm excited to try it if I'm ever at the beach and want to be glowing but also protecting my skin from the sun. And then under here it looks like we have a little hat. So cute. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this while I clean. I've been listening to country music because I'm going to Nashville on this Thursday this week. So stay tuned. Gonna be vlogging, gonna be posting on Instagram, lots of Nashville content coming. But I've been studying because you guys know my music taste. It doesn't usually cross over into country music. I honestly have nothing against country music. I like have never been one of those girls that like claims to hate country music. I just like literally didn't grow up listening to it, or like I just like never have listened to it, so I don't really know a lot of country songs. I do love Luke Combs and I know most of his song repertoire, so I feel confident in that, but I've been trying to expand on that and learn other songs just so I can like, you know the words and feel cool. That's what I have on today while we're cleaning. Here's a tour of my little pantry baskets in case you're wondering. I just feel like hiding things, especially like little snacks and stuff, into baskets always makes your pantry look and feel more organized. Not sure where these little baskets are from. My mom had them and then wasn't using them anymore, so I took them. I think they're probably from Target. So in this basket we have chips. This basket is kind of random. I just took all the ramen and my oatmeal packets out of the boxes because, again, it just makes it feel more organized and like nicer when it's in a basket versus in the original packaging. And then I have like a random pasta bag. And then over here is like more snacks, so like little candies, chocolates, pretzels, etc. Look at Kitty hiding from the vacuum. It's okay, Kitty. You can come out now. All done. There is no better feeling than having a spotless apartment on a Sunday night. I'm feeling refreshed and ready for the week. You may be wondering why I haven't given you guys an apartment update in a really long time, or why there's still nothing hung up on my walls. I don't have a good excuse. I've literally just been procrastinating figuring out what to hang on my walls, especially this one, for so long. I moved into this apartment in late January and it's now May and I still haven't figured it out. I don't know why I'm struggling with it so much. I keep picking stuff out and like literally adding them to the cart and then deciding that I don't love them. I can't decide if I want to do like one big art piece or if I want to do two side by side. I also can't decide if I want to do something with color or if I just want to play it safe and do more neutrals. Because this room is very neutral right now. I feel like it kind of needs some color. But at the same time, I really want to pick stuff out that I don't get sick of really quickly, because I feel like that always happens. And like wall art is very expensive. So I want something that I'm going to love for a really long time. So I feel like doing something too colorful is a risk. So if you guys have any ideas, any suggestions, feel free to send them my way. I know I want to hang this above my bed, like horizontally. I just haven't gotten around to hanging it. And those, I don't know if I'm going to do anything with them yet. So yeah, the apartment is pretty much the same as it's been. What are you doing, Lennon? Hi. Do you want to play your favorite game? Do you want to play laser? I bought strawberries at the farmer's market this morning, so I'm just having these with the Trader Joe's like fake Nutella. Going to eat this while I work on editing my video, and then I'm gonna head to bed for the night.